The Funwheels footpad connector, the switchcraft, standard XR switchcraft connector, sticks out way too much so that the default cover plate that it comes with just doesn't protect the cables at all, and they can be sheared off with a rock or anything. So here's how I solved it. I took off this end piece of the connector. Then I added heat shrink. This is pretty large, looks like 1 inch, 3-to-1 heat shrink with glue in it. And that's pretty thick and turns kind of hard and when you heat it up. And then I let it go right up to here. No, come on. And so just to the beginning of the threads. And then I filled the rest with hot glue. And then I redesigned the connector plate, the cover plate, so that it protects it nicely. It goes out a little further, but there was still extra space, so there was no reason not to do it this way. And now, I also connected an MR30 here, so that I can more easily make the connection, and did the same thing, added heat shrink. So now this is rock solid.